Hello to all CBSE board students. Today's topic is Roman numerals. What is Roman numerals? Actually, Roman numerals is the early system of writing numerals. In Roman numerals, there are 7 basic numerals I, V, X, L, C, D and M, and each Roman numerals has their corresponding value in Hindu-Arabic numeral. So here numeral I represent 1, numeral V represent 5, X represent 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. So student, if you ever see a bar is placed over any numeral, then what is the meaning of this bar? Actually here I am taking one example, V bar. So we know the value of V is 5 in Hindu-Arabic numeral. So we have to multiply this 5 with 1000 and the product will be 5000. So the meaning of bar over any numeral means the value of this numeral is multiplied by 1000. Similarly, if we placed a bar sign over numeral L, then what will be the meaning of this? We know the value of L is 50, so we have to multiply 50 with 1000, then we get product 50,000. And in Roman numerals there are some basic rules. So before solving any Roman numerals, first of all we have to get clear idea about rule. So the rule number 1 is saying repetition of a symbol in a Roman numeral means addition. So student, suppose here I am taking triple X. So what is the meaning of triple X? The meaning of triple X means we have to add this triple X, and we know the value of X is 10. So after adding this triple 10, here we are getting sum 30. But here we have to keep in our mind some cautions. Number 1, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Number 2, V, L and D are never repeated. Number 3, no symbol in a Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. So that means student, we can only repeat I, X, C and M. But we can't repeat V, L and D. We can write triple I, but we can't write 4I. So here we can write triple I, but we can't write 4I because we can't write any numeral more than 3 times. And the second rule is saying a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. So here we are seeing smaller numeral V. So V is placed on the right hand side of numeral X. So here we have to add X plus V. That means 10 plus 5 and the sum will be 15. So here V also larger numeral and I smaller numeral. So here also we have to add 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And rule number 3 saying a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numerals. But here also we have to keep in our mind some cautions. V, L and D never subtracted, and I can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. So student, here I am writing cm. So here c is the smaller numeral. As we know, the value of c is 100 and m is the larger numerals and the value of m is 1000. So rule saying a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. So here we have to subtract 100 from 1000. That means m minus c, and the value of m 1000 minus 100. So difference will be 900. Similarly, CD. So the value of D is 500. So here 500 minus 100 equal to 400. And rule number 4. And rule number 4 saying when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals. So that means x, I and v. So here we can see x and v larger numerals and I smaller numeral. So the value of I will be subtracted from v. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, 10 plus 4 will be equal to 14.